Hi, good afternoon, everybody. So my name is Elizabeth Huffman, and I am the designer of this website. I am also a student at DeVry University. So just a little introduction. My name is Elizabeth Huffman. I'm 25 years old, and I currently attend DeVry University. I will be graduating August 27th with my certificate of web design. I started school with a business degree, but it was actually pretty challenging. Actually, it wasn't even challenging. It wasn't at all because I love math. So I ended up going to criminal justice, which then I stopped doing that because there's so much going on. I then found my thing with graphic design and web design, and I've stuck with it ever since. And I'm actually pretty excited to show you guys my website that I have created for my portfolio. As you can see, this is my photo. This is me. I don't look like that anymore. I grew my hair out, gained a little weight, got glasses now. And then this is my family. This is a little older photo. My youngest name is Jackson. My oldest name is Ty. Wonderful kids. Oh my God, they're absolutely amazing. I'm engaged. I have a beautiful fiance. We have a zoo. I have dogs, cats, reptiles, fish. You name it, I probably have it. So let's go back. Let's go to the logos. So when I go to the logos, these are all the logos that I have created. I've created Huffy Melts, which is my own personal business. This is the original logo, and then going on to Huffy Melts for Pride Month. I've created this pizza logo, and then Eddie Slime, which is one of those things I've done for class. I Smell a Rat was for one of my friends' grudge bands. Programs by Sophia, that is actually one I did for a programming website. My friend needed a logo really bad, and it was phenomenal. I then did this one. It was actually pretty great. So then with my photography, like my friend's photography business and such, and then with this Royal Line Bullies, this was for a friend that breeds, actually bully breeds. So this was a lot of fun to make. Like I said, the pizza logo I made on my own. I was just bored one day and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get my iPad and I'm just gonna start drawing. So it was a lot of fun. Then going to the websites that I've done, you see some websites here. The guitar shop, I did this for a class, which was a lot of fun to make. I also did this one, Lizzie's Lizards, obviously because I'm a huge reptile fan. It was one of my first websites I've ever created, so it was kind of new to me. Then going off to this one, I based it off of the guitar one, but for Dino decals. That was actually the name of my business before I stopped doing decals. I actually started making wax melting candles and such like that. So it was a lot of fun to make. It was wonderful. I loved it. And then going down to my last tab, I did the contact me. So my contact information, obviously we know my name is Elizabeth Huffman. I have a photo from when I was in Washington, D.C., obviously when my hair was shorter and I had less weight on me. And then my phone number, and then also my email and the links to my Twitter and my Facebook to check out more of my stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed my website. I really enjoyed making it. Obviously there's some quirks in it. I'm still learning and I'm getting there, but I'm steady getting it done. So I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.